How to fix the problem? There is no picture, but there is audio, like this problem. First of all, you have to unplug the power cable of both the receiver and the TV, and then press for 30 seconds, sorry, in the push button, and the touch push button for 30 seconds to drain the any charges on the screen for 30 seconds, and then release. And also the plug of the from the dish, this signal, unplug it and wait for 30 seconds. And after that, after 30 seconds, return both the receiver bar. We are like recharging both all devices, for static signals may affect the screen of the TV. So now we can turn on the TV. Okay, now the TV is working, and here we have fix the signal from the dish to the receiver. I have to fix it very good. And now it should working. If there is HDMI cables connected, we can fix. So the picture now is appeared and returned, as you see, and we fixed the problem of this bad signals, bad charges on the screen. Thanks for watching the video.